This morning I'm trying out the Dark Horse offering from the magnificent Barista boys. According to their website, the Dark Horse has Central and East Africa and South America origins. It's a dark full city plus roast and has tasting notes of dark chocolate and tobacco impressions complemented with hints of berries. Just to note that I'm pouring in 50 ml of hot water per shot of espresso to get roughly 60 ml for the Americano. Then 120 ml of hot water for a 1:2 ratio. I like it, definitely worth giving a try. Have a great morning.